Ever find yourself staring at the screen knowing exactly what you want to say but struggling to put into words? Yeah, we have all been there. That's where Quillbot comes in, an AI-powered writing assistant that can turn rough thoughts into smooth, polished content in seconds. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how Quillbot works, its best features, and a few tips to get the most out of it. So before we jump in, I would like to mention that there is a link that is given in the description and you can basically go ahead and follow those steps. So let's jump into the features. So in the Quillbot section, this is the main dashboard that you're going to be getting. And the first main feature or tool is called the paraphraser. It's very easy. So I have a text. Let me just show you. So I'm going to keep it standard, and if I want to paraphrase it, I can easily paraphrase it like this. So you can see over the past 20 years, technology has advanced so quickly. So it basically makes it more better. And if you wanted to make it fluency, you can also do that. It can turn to fluency. Now, if you want to humanize it or maybe make it formal or maybe make it academic, simple, creative, expand, short and custom, anything you want, you could be doing with that. And also talking about the synonyms, you can either make it very low or you can make it high. And if you want to go till the end, you will have to probably unlock the premium. And also guys, only the standard and fluency is available in the free version. And now let's go to the grammar checker. So the grammar checker is also very easy. So before we get in the grammar checker, I would like to show you the Google Docs. It also works in Google Docs. So suppose if you're writing an article or blog anywhere on the internet, if you have the Quillbot extension, what Quillbot will do is, like, if there is any grammatical mistake or any mistake of any sort, it's going to correct you. So you will get an icon like this. You can click on this, click to open the assistance. And what you have to do is that just click on it. It's going to automatically correct. So it says focus said it will rain. So it's not when it would rain. So if I click on this, it will automatically get corrected. So we decides, it's actually decided. So if we click on this, it's automatically going to correct. So if you're someone who writes a lot, this is going to be very helpful, because if you have like pages of docs, you can easily correct it with a single click using the Quillbot tool. So that's something you can do. And also, let me just show you, if I copy the same thing and if I paste it over here, you can see that the grammar checker will automatically correct all of this. I can just click on accept here, and again I can click on accept. And if you want to accept all the grammatical errors, you can just click on accept all. So you can see my writing score has also improved from 58 to 85 by doing this. And also we have an AI checker. So let's go ahead and paste it. So let's see if the AI can detect the AI. So as you can see, it says here it's AI generated and it's 47, and it says it's human written for 53%, but most of the text over here is AI generated. But yeah, still it found that it's like 47% is AI generated. And also you have a plagiarism checker. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know what the plagiarism checker is. So suppose if you get a content from online, if you go ahead and paste it, and it's obviously there are going to be a higher percentage of plagiarism because you just copied it. So in order to find a student's work, if it's true or not, you could be easily doing the plagiarism checker. And again, this is for the premium. And there is also AI humanizer. Basically, if you have an AI text, you can basically paste it over here and you can humanize it into a human form text. So if you go ahead and paste it to the plagiarism checker, it's not going to detect. So this is an advanced feature and it is still developing. And again guys, this is mainly for if you basically upgrade to the premium, you could be accessing the AI humanizer. So this is going to be very handy for students, like if the school or maybe college does have an AI checker. It's basically going to humanize your text and you can get away with the plagiarism checker or AI detector. And there are more features over here. You have the AI chat button. So this is just like ChatGPT, a writing assistant. So in case if you have some ideas, you can ask it anything. You can also upload the files and generate product ideas. So if I click on this, sir, could you please give details about the product? Maybe. So I'm going to say stainless steel plan, and let me go ahead and press that. So you can easily get product description for any product. So this is something you could be doing, and it asks you again, would you like it to be tailored for your specific audience? So this is again something you could be doing. And let me just go ahead to the main page, and you can brainstorm an idea if there is anything you want to ask. Maybe generate interview question or review my resume. So these are some of the things you could be doing with the AI chat. And you have the translate again. So this is a simple feature. Let me go ahead and turn this. Maybe if I want to change this to Arabic, it's very easy. This whole text is going to be changed to Arabic. So these are basically simple and very straightforward process. And now we have the summarizer. So suppose you have a long story and you want to summarize it. So let's go ahead and paste it. So this is a long story I have kept. Now you can also decide the shortness, and if you want to keep it long, you can keep it that. So I'm going to summarize as it is very short. I want it that way. And also you could be seeing all of the keywords that has been made. And this is what it has generated me. So Novik, a village on cliff, and so on. So the summarizer is also great. Now if I wanted more, I can just increase it, and that way it will re-summarize it as well. So as you can see, it's a bit more longer and it's very easy to use. And the next feature we have is the citation generator. And also this is very easy. You get a lot of different styles like the APA, MLA, Harvard side, you have the IEE, you have MAA, then the Council of Science Editor. So all of these styles that you have. So if there is a specific keyword, or if you're doing research on something, maybe it's about finance, maybe it's a book or something like that, you can just type in, and you can see there's a journal article on law and finance. So if you're a researcher, you can easily do that. And you can see the references. This is the reference, and you can basically copy it, and it shows the journal article and all of that. So you can easily do research with the help of citation generator. And the next one, you have the Quillbot flow. So this is basically an all-in-one thing. And basically you can create a new project. You can basically upload from your Google Docs, MS Word, or from your computer. And you can basically, you'll basically get all the features over here on the Quillbot flow, and you can work according with it. So those were the features of Quillbot. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also let me just talk about the pricing. It is $0 per month, and these are some of the features that you would be getting. And you have the premium, which is also only $4 and $17 per month, which is actually very, very cheap. And I would suggest everyone to go with the premium. I think it's just very cheap. And if you want to just start out with the things and you want to see how it all works, I would suggest you guys go with the free version. And after you guys have done that, you can just go ahead and jump to the premium if you really like it. And they will give you basically a 3-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can always choose to return it back to them. So that's basically it for this video of Quillbot. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tool and this review. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.